July 6th, Stock Playbook. Coming to you with just a small little snippet of what we do on a nightly basis for our subscribers. Dow Jones up 56 points, 0.4%. NASDAQ Composite 8 points, 0.3%. S&P 500 got the point that it lost yesterday back, closing up 0.1%. Volume still light. We continue to, consolidate these gains. I'm actually surprised we haven't pulled back more towards the 50-day moving average. I guess all eyes are now going to be on the employment numbers tomorrow and Friday. We'll see if that's enough to test this 50-day, maybe lose it, roll over, or to propel it higher. I'm betting in the way of it going lower. I still don't see any conviction behind this rally, although everybody on TV seems to be wearing their bull outfits again. I'm sticking with it, not because I'm a glutton for punishment, just because I don't see what the catalyst is short of earnings, and earnings are still a week or two away. So we will see what happens. We still have individual names on the long side. Green Dot, we've recently added to our portfolio. Play on the debit card fee being the cap on the debit card fee being raised. So Green Dot continues moving up. SodaStream is a beast. We shared with our subscribers tonight. We haven't done so yet, but this is a stock we love longer term. When this stock was back at $30 a share, we said then we thought this stock had the potential to be $100 a share. We still believe that. We're still big fans of the stock longer term. But when you get a stock that runs from $50 a share to $76 a share in 9 days, less than 2 weeks, you have to entertain the idea of taking some off. It's a nice run. If this market rolls over, this company will give back these gains. I like SodaStream longer term. We've traded around the position on a couple of occasions, most recently up here after the last quarter's earnings. We had a nice little pop. We said take some off. It pulled back into the 50-day. We added it back, and now we're running again. So not yet. And like I said, I can't call you guys up. You're not subscribers and tell you when. But our subscribers will get an intraday alert when we're ready to take some off the table. And when I say some, you sell 25, 30% of your position. And when it pulls back, you can always add it back again. But SodaStream is looking really good. We continue to like it. But like I said, we would be more inclined to sell a little up here than to buy more. Sequence, we continue to like, moving up, lower end of the range. We really like it longer term. A couple of newer names, for you guys, names that we've talked about often in our videos for the subscribers. Illumina develops integrated systems for the large-scale analysis of genetic variation and biological function. Medical research equipment, it's a hot space. There's been a lot of rotation into the medical space by these mutual funds and institutions. ILMN, breaking out, hitting new highs. I'd like to see it pull back more towards the 74, 75 area. You get long there. You put a stop at a close under the 50-day of 73 if you need a tight stop. If you want to give it a little bit more room as an investor, use the support that there appears to be here at 70. You get in at 75, you risk $5 to the downside to maybe make 20 to the upside. You take that trade all day, every day. Merit Medical Systems develops disposable medical devices for use in interventional cardiology and radiology. Moving up the right side, nice volume, 3 out of the last 4 days. This is a stock that as it pulled back into the 17 level where it had support recently, we shared with our subscribers to take a look at it, and now we're starting to get confirmation that this looks like it might have some juice behind it. A breakout above $20, I think, will gain more institutional sponsorship and propel this thing even higher to the mid to upper 20s. Catalyst will probably be earnings season. Speaking of earnings season, we get closer to AdTran next week. We got the $40 calls we recommended in here. Those calls we bought for 75 cents, now $1.25. They go up another 50 cents to $1. Take a little off the table. Nothing wrong with taking some of your money off and letting the rest ride. Play with the house's money. That's how you minimize your downside while optimizing your upside. That's it for the playbook. Have a good night. I'll talk with you tomorrow.